The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro has officially launched, and it's making waves as the first smartphone to debut with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, setting a new benchmark in the mid-to-flagship performance segment, and bringing it up to a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM and a jaw-dropping 1 terabyte of internal storage. Yes, you heard that right. 1 terabyte in a Redmi device, and that's just the beginning. This performance beast is also backed by an enormous 7,550 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery, pushing the limits of smartphone endurance, and it supports 90W fast charging to get you juice up in no time. But that's not all, because the Turbo 4 Pro doubles up as a power bank with 22.5W reverse wired charging, meaning you can keep your other devices powered when you're on the go, which is a huge plus for power users, travelers, or gamers. And when it comes to display, Xiaomi isn't holding back either, offering a gorgeous 6.83-inch OLED panel with a crisp resolution of 2772 by 1280 pixels, a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling and gaming, and up to 1,600 nits of peak local brightness that ensures incredible outdoor visibility. Plus, it's got an optical in-display fingerprint sensor integrated into the screen for seamless unlocking and security. Now turn to camera system. The Turbo 4 Pro retains a reliable 50MP LYT 600 main sensor paired with an 8MP ultra-wide lens, mirroring the standard Turbo 4, but still delivering solid photography and ultra-wide versatility for capturing more in every frame. And software-wise, the phone runs Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2 base on Android 15 out of the box, offering a fresh, smooth, and responsive user experience with optimized performance, advanced customization, and long-term support. And here's where it gets even more exciting. The phone is IP68 rated, making it dust-tight and water-resistant for added durability and peace of mind, which is not something you often see at this price point. Speaking of design, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is available in 3 stunning color options: black, white, and green. And for fans of magic and fantasy, Xiaomi has teamed up with Warner Brothers to release a special Harry Potter edition of the Turbo 4 Pro, adding a unique, collectible twist to an already powerful phone. Now let's talk pricing, because Xiaomi has managed to keep this flagship-level performance at a surprisingly affordable rate, with the base model starting at just 1,999 Chinese yuan, or around $274 for the 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabyte storage variant, which is absolutely insane value for what you're getting. And if you're someone who needs more power and storage, the top-tier variant with 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage comes in at just 2,999 Chinese yuan, or approximately $411. Making it one of the most aggressively priced premium mid-range phones in the market right now, with a next-gen processor, massive battery, sleek design, bright OLED display, solid camera setup, IP68 durability, and magical special edition variant. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer for anyone looking for performance and features without breaking the bank. So if you're in the market for a new device, this one is definitely worth considering. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and stay tuned, because here on TechVerse, we bring you the future of technology today.